Alright, y'all, I'm back at it again. Y'all know I be out here chilling. I be having to do certain work and stuff like that. I be busy because I work for Amazon now, but I also do a lot of side jobs working on cars. If you ever need some help with your car, hit me up. I'll definitely help. I gotta give a shout out to Raver Motorsports. Been helping with a lot of my projects. I haven't been able to film a lot, but I just want to tell him thank you if you can. Follow him at Raver Tuned, and also subscribe to his YouTube. Subscribe to mine. Make sure you like, share, and follow. I've been doing a lot of stuff from my spare time, so I haven't had no time for the LS. So we're gonna do some LS stuff. We're gonna start breaking down the LS. That way we can at least eventually get it sent out to get it decked and everything and get it prepped. I still got to remove 2 studs out the head. I don't think we're gonna do that this video. We're gonna do a separate video on that, removing studs from aluminum heads. That'll be sweet. Might have to do a little bit of welding. We'll see how it goes. But today we got a little project. Like I said, I don't have a garage, so when we're doing stuff like this, we're getting prepped. Hold on. Set you down for a sec. Ignore all the extra BS I got into you. Alright. Oops, don't want to drop the camera. Cool. Alright, that should be a good angle. Let's see. There you go, real good sharpness. And look, I'm gonna pull this up and over and kind of put it off to the side so we don't have no reason for the camera to fall. There we go. So today we're gonna be removing the crank pulley and then hopefully probably getting everything unbuttoned. Might end up removing some other good stuff, we'll see. Because I kind of got to start breaking down this motor ASAP. This should be fun. We'll see what we get into. You know what? Realize it's not going to be too hard to break free the bolt. I have an impact, so let's see. Make sure my impact's on 10. Shout out to Craftsman. Faithfully use their impacts. It should be lovely. God damn. Alright, so we're back again. I gave a shout out to Craftsman, but it's not really working the way we wanted it to. So we're going to do something a little bit crazier. I don't have an oil pan on this, so it's going to be safe to say if I lock this in here, it shouldn't go too far. I'm going to put socket on here, I'm gonna put some real force on it because I might be stronger than. So being that we're in my shed, I don't got an air compressor, so we're not gonna have no super strong tools. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna use everything to our best advantage. And what I mean by that, got some fucking PB blasters. Shout out to PB, cause you know they be having all the good stuff. We're gonna spray around there, and then hopefully around the seal. That's gonna give us some love. As you can see, I brought the benzo out. Shout out to benzo. We're gonna for sure use the torch. But not only that, I'm gonna take this damn socket I got out. And let me see. I'm gonna give her a couple love taps. See if that helps. Alright. See if we can get that free a little bit. Give her a couple good taps on there. Make sure you show her some love. And then what I'm gonna do. And like I said, we're not cutting nothing. Y'all gonna see everything from the start to the end. I want y'all to be able to see all the bullshit you gotta go through to get a Junkyard Ls to work. So if you're not ready for this life, stay in the house. Little heat. That's what we call Asian persuasion right there. Remember, it's hot as fuck, so don't grab it, bro. Like, if you that dumb and you want to rush and grab it, you be my fucking guest. But over here at B&B Street Dreams, we not with none of that fuckery. We know what this is. We already know. But we gonna grab it with something else, so we not killing ourselves. We're gonna set that bitch off to the side. Somebody else's problem now. Now what we need, we gotta find a really long socket that we can stick down in this hole. And it's gotta be small, it can't be big. So, we got a couple sockets over here. Found one smaller. Alright, that's not gonna be small enough. I got something in here. We may end up having to look for a moment. Nope, that's not gonna be right. Need something else that's gonna go down in the hole and bottom out. So while we doing this, we can get straight to where we gotta get to. But now in order to do that, we're gonna have to get into my toolbox. And my toolbox right now is surrounded by control arms for the E46. Cause your boy ain't stupid. I stockpile parts. Reason why I stockpile parts, because I know it's gonna come a day and age where I'm gonna break some shit. And when I break some shit, I wanna be ready. I wanna have everything ready. So I even got fucking differential braces. I even got extra regulators back there. We might end up replacing the regulator tonight because I got to get my window working. Passenger window ain't been working for some while now. So we moving all the fucking control arms. Get them out the way. Move all them bitches. Alright. Let's see. We got tools on tools on tools in this motherfucker. Shout out to Pittsburgh. Wanna sponsor me. Get your boy up. We still back in here. Alright, so let's see. A little bit smaller. I need a last one. It's going to be a 3/8. We're the only way we're going to get in there. Alright. Place some trigger blaster down in there. As you know, everything don't always go as how it's supposed to. We all know this. Might have to flip the drawers around, do we? Oh shit.